Perform every 8 hours. Check conveyor area for trash and bar drops. Inspect shear blades. Check all safety guards to ensure in proper place. Repair or replace any damaged or missing items. Check safety switches for proper function. Perform every 20 hours. Grease roller bearing fittings on both sides of conveyor. Grease all fittings on shear. Use mobile AW1 or equivalent. Check oil level in hydraulic tank. Check motor mounting for tightness. Check tension of all drive belts. Tighten as necessary using belt tensioner. Inspect pneumatic system for leaks. Perform every 1,000 hours. Change hydraulic filter. Change suction strainer. Perform every 2,000 hours. Change hydraulic oil, Shell Tellus T46 or equivalent.